friends, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're gonna give a shot to this plastic welder kit, 80 watts from Harbor Freight. We're gonna try to weld this intake box that's broken, as you can see, and somebody tried to glue it. So we're gonna try to give this a shot. It's warming up, as you can tell, smoking a little bit. So we'll see how it works out. Again, I haven't tried this yet, so it's gonna be experience for both of us. So we got some plastic over here. You probably also use zip ties if you run out of plastic, but it came with some, so we're gonna give it a shot. By the way, the part number is 60662. Alright. So we're gonna try a big piece first, see how that works out. Cleaned up old glue from it here, because somebody definitely tried to glue this. It's not even that good of a glue. I can just peel it off with my nail. So yeah, definitely low quality glue. So that's why it didn't hold. I'll just clean that glue up. Try to clean it here up too. And we'll see how we can glue this back. So that's what it's supposed to be. By the looks of it. Let's see how it works out. Just gonna go full ham at it. You can see what's going on over here. I'm just kind of melting it over the crack, hoping that it will stick and fill it. Alright, so we got some right over here. So you can see, let's see if this is a better angle for y'all. So far it's definitely working out a lot better than glue would have. Alright, let's try to get this one. It's going to be a little bit more difficult. It's kind of in the weird spot here. Let's see if I can melt it enough. Now, it definitely works. So now I'm gonna run a bit on the inside, and then second broken piece should be done. I'll show you the once it's all done. I'm marking up the second cracked piece. It's not gonna be perfect, but we'll get it pretty close to where it's supposed to be. Then we're gonna plastic weld that bad boy. Right, so it just worked like advertised. Here's the finished product, inside and outside. So as long as it doesn't fall apart in the car, should be golden.